Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread milk. Start by gathering ripe bananas, whole milk, sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and a blender. I will walk you through measuring, blending, and heating options so you can make a smooth, cozy drink at home. I will also show simple dairy-free swaps and suggestions for serving hot or cold, plus quick tips to store leftovers safely in the fridge. Gather ingredients and tools before you start for a smooth process. Use 2 ripe bananas for sweetness, 1 cup of milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or maple syrup, ½ teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon. You will also need a blender and a fine sieve if you want extra silky texture. I will explain swap options, like using oat milk or adding a scoop of protein, and mention portion sizes. First, peel and chop bananas and add them to the blender with milk, sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon. Blend on high until silky smooth, about 30 to 45 seconds depending on your blender. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness with a splash more milk or a teaspoon of maple syrup. For a warm version, heat gently on low for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring so it does not scald or boil, then serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.